In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template on Canva and integrate it with Mailchimp for an effective, visually appealing email marketing campaign. This process combines the design flexibility of Canva with Mailchimp's robust marketing tools. Let's dive into each step and ensure that your email stands out. First, head over to canva.com and log into your account. If you don't have one, setting it up is quick and free. Once logged in, use the search bar at the top to enter email newsletter or email template. This will pull up a variety of templates that you can choose from. Canva offers a range of professionally designed templates that you can use as is or customize. If you're feeling creative, you can even start from scratch. Next, it's time to customize your design. Modify the text, images, colors, and fonts to align with your branding. This personalization is a crucial step as it ensures your brand identity is consistent across all platforms. Keep in mind that simplicity is key. Make sure that your design is not only aesthetically pleasing but also easy to read. It's also important to consider how your email will look on mobile devices, as a significant portion of emails are opened on phones and tablets. Once your design is ready, you need to export it. Click on the Share button located in the top right corner of Canva, then select Download. Since Mailchimp doesn't support direct Canva templates, choose either PNG or JPG format for your export. These formats are compatible and will ensure your design remains sharp when uploaded. With your design saved, log into Mailchimp by visiting mailchimp.com and accessing your account. To start your email campaign, click Create and then select Email followed by Regular Email. Then you'll choose a template for your email. You can opt for a custom template or simply select a basic layout that fits your needs. Now let's bring your Canva design into your Mailchimp email. Drag and drop an image block into the email body where you want your design to appear. Then upload the PNG or JPG file you exported from Canva. You might need to adjust the size of the image within the email campaign to fit it perfectly into the layout. Before you finalize everything, it's important to preview and test your email. Mailchimp allows you to see how your email will look on different devices. Use the preview and test option to ensure your email appears professional and all elements are displaying correctly. If everything looks good, you're ready to either schedule your email for later or send it out immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully created and integrated an email template from Canva to Mailchimp, ready to impress your audience with stunning visuals and engaging content.